The power liftgate can be opened in multiple available ways. For hands-free opening, the key fob must be on you. Stand behind the liftgate just to the left of the 4 rings. Move your foot forward and back under the bumper 1 time and do not touch the bumper. The compartment lid will open. There are the usual ways to open the liftgate as well, such as the switch located inside the driver's door, the button on the handle of the liftgate, or by pressing the liftgate button on the key fob twice. To close the liftgate, press one of the buttons on the open lid. The liftgate icon closes the lid, while the lock button closes the lid and then locks the car. You can also use the available foot gesture to close as you move away. To set a custom opening height, open the liftgate. When it reaches the desired height, press the close button to stop it. Then, press and hold the button for 4 seconds. A beep will sound to verify the setting. The liftgate will now only open to that height. To return the liftgate to the full open position, manually push the liftgate upward till it stops. Then, press and hold the close button for 4 seconds until it beeps. It will now completely open.